Hey everyone, and Merry Christmas. Today on Isms by Josie, we're going to be doing one last holiday design. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So today, you guys, we are working on the thumbnail today. I have done my infill and I put down a layer of base coat. It's looking pretty fine to me. I'm really liking the maintenance that I'm doing on my infill nails. If you do not know, I started using Desire Nails fiber gel by Dorota Politska. And so I'm just going to nail cleanse this to clean off any debris and oils with my nail cleanser. And we're working with some 3-in-1 semi-solid pot gels with Varnail. As you know, I am an ambassador for them, and I really stand by these new products. Not so new. I unboxed these a while ago, but they're really good at ombreing. I'm using this as a background gel today. I didn't have a color for a reindeer, so I made one up using the chocolate and the Loquat yellow. I highly recommend trying those out. If you saw my frost nails, they're really good at ombreing on the nail. It's the thickness between the polish gel and the pot gel. And again, surprisingly, they definitely work out. Sticking to the nail where you put it and staying in place. Normally, I've gotten that effect with stamping polish, and I've tried with pot gels, but you know, they're very inconsistent with opacity and viscosity sometimes. So these are definitely worth trying out. But anyway, so I did put 2 layers of this just to make sure that I've got this really nice deer color look. And I'm going to be putting on these rhinestones. So we're going to go for a Rudolph the reindeer look, and I'm going to use the Varnail gem glue to adhere the rhinestones. Everything mostly is Varnail, so I also have the applicator for the rhinestones. That's also a nifty little tool. You twist the end to push up the wax. But I'm going to go ahead here and we're going to take the brush to put a dollop of this gem glue right on the middle of the tip of my thumbnail. I'm going to be putting the rhinestone right there to make the nose of Rudolph. And in my mix of rhinestones here, I'm pretty sure everybody has this kind of mix in some color, but we've got this perfect oval shape here that totally looks like his nose. So I thought this worked out perfect. And I'm going to go in with my detail brush just to go around the seam of the nose. I want to make sure that I seal everything in. I normally put top coat over this, but we are going to matte this so we get that nice matte fur finish in a sense. So I'm just putting on the gem glue first, and then we'll seal everything in with the matte top coat. But yeah, just making sure I get a nice seal on this. The top coat will smooth everything out afterward. But the placement of the rhinestones is my focus right now because this design is pretty minimal, if you can imagine. We're just putting on a nose and eyes. So I definitely want to make sure that I got those pieces right. It's not a fun thing when your design is so simple and you can't even get symmetry correct on there. And I struggle with that sometimes, symmetry, especially, you know, in anything else. Especially when I hand draw on paper, like I can never get the symmetry right. So anyway, I hope you guys are having the best Christmas yet. If not, I am right here with you. Things have definitely been kind of rough and tumble for the past handful of years. So this is probably the first where it's not so detrimental to my day to day. So we can count our blessings on that. But, for some, you can always wish that things were a little different. But you just have to work with what you have and just bask in the blessings that you do have. So, for anyone and everyone out there, I hope you are having the best Christmas you can make it, considering. So, all right, we're using white now to put the eyeballs in. And that was a task. It took me longer than the few seconds that you saw because, again, I'm really bad at the symmetry thing. But I'm putting dollops of the gem glue at the tops of my eyeballs because I want my Rudolph to be a doe-eyed deer, having him look up. I find that to be very cute. You can do any direction you'd like. Heck, you can cross-eye your Rudolph if you want. You can put them dead center. You can have it look down. You can have it look left or right. I'm going to have mine look up. So I'm just placing this down, and then I'm going to take a tool to push up those eye pupils a little more, or irises. I don't know what you'd call them. But again, I am also going to seal the sides. You want to always make sure that when you want to keep rhinestones, charms, whatever 3D on your nail, if you want it to stay and not pop off, you want to make sure you seal every edge of it, especially the charms that stick up from the nail. You'll see a gap in between. You're definitely going to want to seal those in with some gem glue for two reasons. One is to make sure that it stays on your nail and it doesn't accidentally get picked off. Two, it's not fun if your hair gets caught in it, because I always kind of brush my hair with my hands sometimes, and it's so easy to get a charm caught in your hair strands and have it either pull the strands of hair or your hair pull the charm off. It's definitely a rude awakening, and sometimes it hurts. So always seal your charms and rhinestones onto your nail. So now here I have the quick matte top coat, and we're going to put some of this all over the nail. We're going to avoid touching the rhinestones as best you can, and my tip and trick for this is to make sure that your brush is not fully loaded so that it doesn't pull over the rhinestone. All right, this is the catalyst of my design today. This came in the December mystery box, and I thought it would be really super ultra cute to make a design with this. I even mentioned it when I unboxed it live, but this is the whole point of this design here, and it is perfect. I've been wearing this all week, you guys. So let's come back in and see the end result. Here is my Rudolph. The nose is just glowing. I love it, and I love the matteness of it all. It's a definite contrast between that and the rhinestones, and then of course the antlers just finish it off, and it's perfect. So let me know what you think below. But anyways, join us for Saturday night at the Improv Live. We have a special Christmas that we're going to do for you. So thank you so much for watching. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And I wanted to go ahead and thank my Josieism Tier 2 members. Thank you for all your support. Go check out Sandra Sparkly Sets and check out Conjure Up Nails, as well as the Nail Genie SC. Also, thank you so much for my other Josieism members. If you would like, go check out the perks and become a member today. Thanks. Bye.